On behalf of Geo-Institute President Sissy Nicolau and the GI Board of Governors, thank you for joining us for the 2023 Geo-Institute Awards presentation. Both the Geo-Institute and the American Society of Civil Engineers have rich histories of honoring members who make significant contributions to civil engineering and the geo profession. We are pleased to honor the 2022-2023 award winners today. We begin with the awards conferred by ASCE for achievement in the field of geotechnical engineering. Since 1963, the Carl Terzaghi Lecture has been given annually by an individual chosen in recognition of exemplary contributions to the field of geotechnical engineering. The 2023 Carl Terzaghi Lecture is given by Paul Main and is titled Contributions Towards Geoparameter Evaluation Using the Cone Penetration Test. The Geo-Institute has selected Dr. Main to present the Terzaghi Lecture in recognition of his active career of research, practice, and education with significant contributions in situ testing and deep foundations. His correlations of material properties with cone penetration test (CPT) data has changed the way many geotechnical engineers assess subsurface conditions and select appropriate properties for limit equilibrium analysis, settlement analysis, and numerical modeling. He has compiled a record of significant impact through journal and conference publications, books and chapters of books, invited lectures, and professional education courses. Dr. Main is a professor emeritus in the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Georgia Tech. Since 1960, the Carl Terzaghi Award has been given to an author of outstanding contributions to knowledge in the fields of soil mechanics, subsurface and earthwork engineering, and subsurface and earthwork construction. The recipient of the 2023 Carl Terzaghi Award is Ning Liu for his visionary research and seminal contributions to the understanding of the fundamental mechanisms governing the behavior of unsaturated soils and their implications in slope stability and other geotechnical problems. Dr. Liu is a faculty member in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the Colorado School of Mines. The Arthur Casagrande Professional Development Award is presented in recognition of outstanding accomplishments as evidenced by completed works, reports, or papers in the field of geotechnical engineering. The 2023 Arthur Casagrande Professional Development Award is given to Bryant Robbins for pioneering research relating theoretical, experimental, and numerical aspects of soil erosion and dams and levees, leading to significant advances in the state-of-the-art for research and practice. Mr. Robbins is Division Chief at the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Risk Management Center. The H. Bolton Seed Medal recognizes outstanding contributions to teaching, research, and/or practice in geotechnical engineering. The 2023 H. Bolton Seed Medal is awarded to Dr. David Frost for his pioneering and innovative research contributions in the analysis of natural and man-made disasters, his dedication to teaching and mentoring of students, and his abilities in translation and communication of geotechnical methods into approaches to ensure public safety. Dr. Frost is a faculty member in the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Georgia Tech. Established in 1999 in honor of Ralph B. Peck, the Peck Award is presented for outstanding contributions to the geotechnical engineering profession through the publication of a thoughtful, carefully researched case history or histories, or the publication of recommended practices or design methodologies based on the evaluation of case histories. The 2023 Ralph B. Peck Award winner is Dr. Limin Zhang, in recognition of his outstanding contributions to the geotechnical engineering profession through developing methodologies for multi-risk assessment, risk-based engineering design, and emergency management, and the publication of carefully researched, significant case histories. Dr. Zhang is a faculty member at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. This award and lecture is established to honor Shamshur Prakash for his contributions to geotechnical engineering and soil dynamics. The Shamshur Prakash Award and Lecture will be presented annually to a younger geotechnical engineer, 50 years of age or younger, for outstanding research or professional practice contributions in the area of geotechnical engineering or soil dynamics. The 2023 Shamshur Prakash Award winner is Dr. Jason DeYoung for pioneering contributions to the science, application, and development of the biogeotechnics field and the development of innovative equipment and procedures for site characterization. Dr. DeYoung is a faculty member in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the University of California, Davis. The Martin S. Kapp Foundation Engineering Award is a memorial in recognition of the outstanding professional accomplishments of Martin S. Kapp. The 2023 Kapp Award winner is Mr. Matthew Meyer, in recognition of outstanding contributions in deep foundations and retaining structures, including innovative approaches to deep foundations for tall buildings in complicated geologic conditions. Mr. Meyer is a principal at Langen. The Thomas A. Middlebrooks Award recognizes the authors of a paper that has been judged worthy of special commendation for its merit as a contribution to geotechnical engineering. The 2022 Thomas A. Middlebrooks Award is given to the paper Settlement Rate Increase in Organic Soils Following Cyclic Loading, which appeared in the ASCE Journal of Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Engineering. This paper rethinks the fundamental approach to traditional consolidation settlement analysis of soft soil and demonstrates the benefits and accuracy of stress-based settlement calculations. Dr. Lemnitzer is a faculty member in the Civil Engineering Department at the University of California, Irvine. Dr. Iniesta is a faculty member in the Department of Civil, Geological, and Mining Engineering at Polytechnique, Montreal. Dr. Kappa is a consulting engineer at Simpson, Gumpertz, and Heeger. Dr. Brandenburg is a faculty member in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at UCLA. The Norman Medal is ASCE's oldest award. It recognizes a paper for meritorious contributions to engineering science. The 2022 Norman Medal goes to the paper Levee Fragility Behavior Under Projected Future Flooding in a Warming Climate, published in the Journal of Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Engineering. The paper develops a multidisciplinary and novel framework by integrating geotechnical engineering, hydrology, and climate science to quantify site-specific impacts of climate change on fragility of earthen levees under flooding, considering multiple modes of failure. Dr. Vahedafard is a faculty member in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Mississippi State University. Firas H. Jazim is a faculty member in the Department of Civil Engineering at Tikrit University. Fred Tracy is a research computer scientist emeritus with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Masood Abdallah is a senior staff engineer at Terracon. Anase El-Borzi is a faculty member in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the University of California, Irvine. And Amir Agakuchak is also a faculty member in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the University of California, Irvine. Richard R. Torrens served ASCE for 17 years in the Publications Department at ASCE headquarters and was manager of professional and technical publications at the time of his death in 1984. The high quality of ASCE's journals is in no small measure a result of his dedication and his support of the volunteer journal editors. As a reflection of his distinguished service, the Richard R. Torrens Award will honor volunteer journal editors who make outstanding contributions to the ASCE Publications Program. The 2022 Richard R. Torrens Award is given to Rodrigo Salgado, Editor-in-Chief of the Journal of Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Engineering. The Torrens Award recognizes his achievements in categories including journal competitiveness, turnaround time, growth, and creativity and innovation. Dr. Salgado is a faculty member in the Department of Civil Engineering at Purdue University. The Geo-Institute has also established awards to recognize those individuals whose contributions have helped advance the goals of the Institute and the profession. The Wallace Hayward Baker Award is a memorial award honoring the creative and innovative contributions of Wallace Hayward Baker in the field of ground modification and is given in recognition of ingenious innovation in this field. The 2023 Wallace Hayward Baker Award winner is Mr. Jerry DiMaggio for his lifetime contributions to the geo profession by promoting leadership of GI members and by advancing the state-of-the-art through technical developments such as those for soil improvement applications. Mr. DiMaggio is a senior principal engineer and associate at Applied Research Associates. The Harry Schnabel Jr. Award is a memorial award honoring Harry Schnabel's accomplishments in the field of earth-retaining structures. This award encourages continued excellence and innovation by those making a career in the earth-retaining structures industry. The 2023 Harry Schnabel Jr. Award winner is Mr. Alan Cadden in recognition of his 35-plus years of commitment to service, excellence, and innovation in earth-retaining structure design, analysis, and construction, as well as his voluntary commitment to tirelessly advance the geotechnical community through ASCE, partner organizations, and professional leadership. Mr. Cadden is a principal at Schnabel Engineering. The C. L. Monosmith Lecture Award honors Professor Carl L. Monosmith's 50-plus years of teaching and research contributions to pavement technology. The annual award recognizes outstanding research contributions in pavement engineering. The 2023 Carl L. Monosmith Lecture Award winner is Dr. Imad El Al-Qadi for his outstanding impact on the design and construction of sustainable and resilient infrastructure systems through the development of novel test methods, computational analysis of tire-pavement interaction, and innovative design of smart pavements for autonomous vehicles. Dr. Al-Qadi is a professor at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. The Best Chapter Award recognizes a chapter's accomplishments in developing the local geotechnical community, providing quality technical training, conducting outreach to students and young professionals, and promoting the profession. The St. Louis chapter of the Geo-Institute serves over 150 geo-professionals and the geo-industry in the greater St. Louis bi-state metropolitan area, as well as the eastern half of Missouri. Its committee members regularly meet both virtually and in person to discuss and plan upcoming events. They host well-attended technical events such as the annual Geostructures Confluence, the Case History Seminar, and webinars. The chapter also has a long history of working with and supporting 5 proud student chapters. It provides donations in the form of sponsorships and scholarship opportunities to each of these student groups. The Chapter Achievement Award recognizes achievements of smaller or newer chapters, or chapters that have shown significant year-over-year improvement or growth. The winner of the 2023 Chapter Achievement Award is the Minnesota Chapter. The Minnesota Geotechnical Society hosts monthly meetings from October through May each year and is a partner in organizing the annual University of Minnesota Geotechnical Conference. In 2019, MGS celebrated 50 years of service to the local geotechnical community and partnered with ASCE to become a Geo-Institute chapter. MGS's outreach is centered on geotechnical engineering students in the state. MGS funds 3 local scholarships, including the recently endowed MGS Scholarship at the University of Minnesota. MGS has recently focused their efforts to increase diversity within their membership by encouraging students to join, as well as other underrepresented groups. The Academy of Geoprofessionals would like to recognize and congratulate the 2023 class of Diplomate Geotechnical Engineers. With their skills, body of knowledge, and accomplishments, these board-certified engineers have achieved one of the highest designations in the geo profession and are recognized as respected and credible professionals within the field of civil engineering. The success of the ASCE and GI Awards program depends on you, our members, to provide nominations of outstanding achievement in geotechnical engineering. Consider nominating a colleague for excellence in technical expertise, public, or service. Full details on how to submit a nomination are available on the ASCE and GI websites. ASCE and the Geo-Institute are pleased to honor this year's award winners.